In an era of burgeoning air travel, one aircraft emerged to redefine what was possible, the Boeing 747. Unveiled to the public in 1968, it was a marvel of engineering and scale, dwarfing every commercial plane before it. Nicknamed the Queen of the Skies, its sheer size promised an unprecedented capacity, fueling dreams of affordable long-haul flights for the masses. This colossal jet, conceived in just 28 months, was a bold gamble by Boeing, betting on a future where air travel would become a global staple. Its distinctive hump and four powerful engines signaled a new dawn for aviation, capturing imaginations worldwide. The 747 didn't just carry more passengers, it transformed the entire experience of air travel. Its spacious wide-body cabin allowed for amenities previously unimaginable, from onboard lounges and bars to spiral staircases connecting decks. This revolution in comfort and scale directly contributed to the democratization of global tourism, making destinations once reserved for the elite accessible to millions. Long-distance journeys became more comfortable, efficient, and, crucially, more affordable. It shrank the world, connecting continents and cultures with ease, fostering an era of unprecedented international exchange and exploration. The creation of the 747 was an immense undertaking, requiring the construction of the world's largest building by volume in Everett, Washington. Led by visionary engineer Joe Sutter, the Incredibles team worked tirelessly to overcome unprecedented design and manufacturing challenges. The iconic hump, initially designed to house a small lounge, also provided space for a forward-facing cargo door, anticipating a future where supersonic transport might replace large passenger jets. This foresight proved critical to its longevity. Its four engines, positioned for optimal thrust, symbolized its power and capability, making it a true titan of the skies. For decades, the Boeing 747 was the undisputed monarch of the skies, adopted by nearly every major international airline. Its distinctive silhouette became instantly recognizable, gracing airports and postcards around the globe. It wasn't just a mode of transport, it was a symbol of national pride for many carriers and a cultural icon, appearing in countless films, television shows, and advertisements. Carrying dignitaries, pop stars, and millions of ordinary people, the 747 truly defined the golden age of international air travel, creating memories and bridging continents like no other aircraft before or since. However, the very factors that made the 747 a triumph eventually contributed to its decline in passenger service. The oil crises of the 1970s and subsequent decades dramatically increased fuel costs, making the efficient operation of a four-engine jumbo jet an economic challenge. Airlines began seeking more fuel-efficient alternatives. Simultaneously, advances in engine technology led to the development of powerful, reliable twin-engine aircraft capable of flying long-haul routes. These new jets, such as Boeing's own 777 or Airbus's A330, offered similar range with significantly lower operating expenses, marking a turning point for the industry. Beyond fuel efficiency, a fundamental shift in airline strategy also challenged the 747's dominance. Historically, the hub-and-spoke model, where passengers funneled through major hubs on large jets, was prevalent. The 747 was perfectly suited for this. However, passenger demand evolved towards point-to-point travel, favoring direct flights between smaller cities on slightly smaller aircraft. Airlines found it increasingly difficult to fill the 747's immense capacity on every route, making the more nimble and flexible twin-engine jets a more attractive option for optimizing schedules and maximizing profits. The era of the megahub was slowly giving way to new paradigms. By the 2010s, major airlines around the world began the somber process of retiring their 747 passenger fleets. Emotional farewell flights were organized, allowing aviation enthusiasts and former crew to pay tribute to an aircraft that had profoundly shaped their lives. While bittersweet, these retirements marked an inevitable transition to a new generation of passenger aircraft. British Airways, Lufthansa, Qantas, and Virgin Atlantic were among the last major carriers to bid farewell to their iconic jumbos, often citing operational economics and environmental concerns as primary drivers. The roar of its four engines carrying passengers became an increasingly rare sound. Yet, the story of the Boeing 747 is far from over. While its passenger days are largely behind it, the jumbo jet has found a thriving second life as a dedicated cargo aircraft. Its immense payload capacity, long range, and, crucially, its unique hinged nose, which allows for direct front-loading of oversized freight, make it indispensable for global logistics. From live animals and delicate machinery to e-commerce packages, the 747 freighter continues to connect the world, albeit in a different capacity. It remains the backbone of many cargo airlines, a testament to its enduring design and adaptability. Beyond commercial cargo, the 747 continues to serve in highly specialized roles, cementing its place as an enduring icon. Two highly modified 747s serve as Air Force One, the presidential aircraft of the United States. NASA utilized 747s as shuttle carrier aircraft, transporting space shuttles across the country. Specialized variants also tackle unique missions, from aerial firefighting to scientific research. Even as passenger production ceased, its cultural impact remains undeniable. The 747 stands as a powerful symbol of human ingenuity, a machine that not only flew through the skies but also soared through the collective imagination. On January 31, 2023, after more than 50 years, Boeing delivered its very last 747, a freighter bound for Atlas Air. This delivery marked the official end of production for one of the most transformative aircraft in history. Over 1,574 units were built, each a testament to a dream made reality. While no more new 747s will roll off the assembly line, the existing fleet will continue to fly for decades, particularly in its vital cargo role. The Boeing 747 story is one of innovation, adaptability, and an undeniable legacy that continues to inspire. The Queen of the Skies may have retired from passenger service, but her reign over aviation history is eternal.